Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan, and today we're going to be taking a look at our 2024 235 Grady-White Freedom. As you can see, we brought this boat in ocean mist blue with a white bottom, blue under the hardtop to match. Going to take a look at the outside, and we'll go inside, and I will point out some options to you. Boat does have a white 300 horsepower Yamaha. There's your boarding ladder. Transom lighting. We'll go up inside and we'll take a look. As we come into 235, you can see it does have a walk-through transom door with storage on the swim platform. Your live well, your fish box. This boat does have the retractable ski pole, your aft seat. We did option this boat with a lounge that extends. Your helm seat, tilt wheel, push button starting. We'll take a look at the head. It's an electric head with overboard discharge. There is rod storage forward. It's your fusion stereo. This boat has been optioned with the table forward. Storage under both seats. Anchors under the seat forward. Plenty of room up forward. This boat does have three-sided enclosure with an aft curtain to the back. It is here in Ocean View, New Jersey. Give us a call with any questions. Thank you.